Hello, I'm Robin from Boatshed Midi Canals. Today I'm glad to present you this Succes 1250 Dutch motor cruiser. Access to this Dutch motor yacht is from the stern. Two ramps provide secure boarding. The hull is made of 6mm thick steel plates. This leads to the outside cockpit, which is very practical for navigation. These cockpits allow open-air piloting or protection from wind and sun, thanks to its removable full bimini, new in 2018. It features Vetus hydraulic steering. The engine is a Fiat IFO with 105 horsepower and directly cooled. There is also a 25-volt bow thruster and a dual inside and outside helm station. The headroom under the bimini is 1.95 meters. The deck wood and railing were renovated in 2019. In 2017, several renovations were carried out, including the hull and deck, windows, sliding side doors, all exterior parts in stainless steel, and a new steel ladder were refurbished. If you're interested in this 1250 Dutch steel cruiser, don't hesitate to contact me, Robin from Boatshed Midi Canals. I look forward to hearing from you.